Hey beauties, welcome to Blush Life. My name is Bhabana and this channel is all about beauty. On today's video, I will be taking you through my nighttime skincare routine step by step to give you that healthy, glowy skin, featuring a very special guest. So let's get started. Ta-da! My hubby! Do you want to introduce yourself, honey?
Sure. Hi guys, my name's Dale and I've got no idea what I'm in for here.
I thought of doing a video of my nighttime routine with my husband so he can see what I'm doing as well as follow it. Every night I'm in my beauty room doing my nighttime routine for about 15 minutes and he's in the bedroom lying in his bed thinking, what the hell is she doing for like 15 minutes? So I thought it would be quite interesting to show him and also make him do my routine so he knows the struggle is real. Excited?
I'm not sure I want to know, but yeah, go on.
Right, we've already washed our face with face wash. So the next step I wanted to include, which I haven't done it myself, this is the first time me using WISHFUL skin. It's the Your Glow Enzyme Scrub. I don't really scrub regularly, maybe like once a week. That too I haven't done in a long time.
I'm more like once a year.
You're more like never, honey. I have to force him to do his skincare every night to the point that I have to do it myself for him.
It's a typical man.
WISHFUL is a skincare brand by Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty, as you know, oh my god, she's the goddess. She's like the queen of the beauty world and I know I'm obsessed with her. He knows I'm obsessed with her. I know.
Don't stop going on about.
Right, anyways, yeah, he knows I'm super obsessed with her. She's amazing. I love all her makeup range and yes, I'm super excited to try this scrub. And yeah, I have my husband to try it alongside with me.
AKA guinea pig.
It is a pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA and BHA scrub. So all the goodies in there.
Can't work out if I'm nervous, excited. All of the above.
Force into it, isn't it? So directions: apply a generous amount on clean, dry skin. Gently massage in a circular motion to roll and sweep away impurities. Rinse well with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Understood?
Yep.
And oh, this is a little message from Huda saying, may your skincare wishes come true. Oh, I hope so. What's your wish for skin?
Just be nice.
Just be nice. He has no clue what he's looking for.
Not dry. I don't have to do that though.
No. You can just put it on your hand and basically follow the instruction. Gently massage into a circular motion to roll and sweep away impurities.
It's grainy, isn't it?
It's alright. This shouldn't really have any exfoliating beads, so there you go. So all these things that you see, oh my god, look, oh wow.
Why is it going all like
wow.
It's horrible.
This is actually meant to be your dead skin cells.
No, it can't be.
Apparently.
My skin's dry, but
Oh my god, it's going all
it's
over.
like falling off.
So yeah, you keep on doing it. Forehead. Now the only tricky bit for you is that you have lots of beard. So I don't know if you're meant to like...
I just don't do the beard bit.
Why don't you do it on that little gap there, Bubble? Baby!
I'm only put a little bit on, you put loads on your face.
It's expensive! It's actually alright. You're worth every penny, honey. You know what you have to do tomorrow, baby?
Hoover this room.
He hoovers the house, so yeah. Wow, I'm actually quite impressed. I hope these are dead skins because I want them gone from my face. So I have like beautiful glowy skin underneath. Come closer and show your face. You can actually see, it looks glowy, doesn't it? I like how it feels.
Good, as long as you're happy.
That's all that matters, isn't it? Look at that! Like, that's all that skin right there. I can't believe it.
So gross.
So we just washed it all off, and honestly guys, our skin feels so soft, silky and smooth. Like, super impressed. Like, all his dry skin that was flaking here just before we started came off. So yeah, it was dead skin.
Yes, I am very impressed.
Well done, Huda. Love it. Now, next step, I am just going to use the Thermal Spring Water Spray today instead of using my regular toner. Ready? This is more to like soothe your skin and yeah, just help you hydrate. Anti-irritating properties in there. It's like a pure thermal spring water. So yeah, apparently it never sees the sun. This water, wherever it came from, for 50 years, something like that. Anyways, right, shall I do me first?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just spray it all over, wait for it to like, kind of like soak in for a few minutes. Are you ready?
So weird.
Close the eyes for me and mouth. This is very refreshing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's actually.
Right, so
although the skin felt nice and smooth, it still kind of felt a bit dry.
yeah, so this will help you to give that extra boost of hydration. Yeah.
Yep, next.
So the next step is the eye cream. I will be using KIEHL'S. It's the creamy eye treatment with avocado. This is one of my favorite eye cream for dry eyes, dry under eyes. As you can see, I'm hitting the pan. It's literally running out. Your skin's quite dry, isn't it? So
Unfortunately so.
yeah, whereas my skin is more or less normal because I'm normal. Anyways, do you want to take a little bit on your ring finger? No, not that one, ring finger.
How much?
Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're basically going to rub it in to warm it up. With this one particularly, you have to, because it takes a lot longer to soak in.
This is all very new to me.
Yeah. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to gently pat. I normally just like rub it in, but
Under the eyes?
yeah, under the eye area. You're meant to pat because that's the gentlest way of doing it. Huh?
Try pat.
Yeah, just gently. Pat, 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 pat. And keep on patting until it all blends in. It's very therapeutic, isn't it, baby? Oh.
Yeah. I think that's done.
Yeah, you can also put it on the top of your eye area. So around the eye socket basically. And gently pat.
Is this going to make me look 5 years younger?
Yeah.
That's what we want.
If you want to look 5 years younger, you have to follow the steps that I do every night. Yeah?
What's next, Mrs. Howard?
So the next step we're going to do is, I think we're going to apply Antioxidant and Superfood Face Oil from Sunday Riley, just to give us that extra glow. It's an oil. I'm going to rub it in between your hand and pat it on your skin.
All over?
Yeah. So every night I have different routine. So tonight's meant to be more of a moisturization night where I just put like lots of goodness in my skin. Antioxidants, cream. Yesterday I put retinol, so I kind of alternate every night. Maybe you need to go up, not down.
Why?
Because if you put it down, that's how you get wrinkles. So you go up.
Ooh.
Yeah. Massage this area. I wouldn't really pull it because that's where you get forehead wrinkles. Pull it up here so you're lifting your eyes. Pull it here so you're lifting your cheek, and you also have to go on your neck and do a bit of massage there so that you're kind of getting rid of that double chin, which I don't have, but
It's
yeah.
exercise to do that.
No, but it helps.
That's step 3.
Not really, because we started with washing our face, step 1. Then we did the scrub, step 2. Then we did the spring water, which is 3. Eye cream, which is 4. Face oil, which is 5. And just to make things easy tonight, I'm just going to do one more step, which is step 6, which is the moisturizer. Now, I have been using ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. It's a day cream, but I like to use it at night because it's quite moisturizing, and because it's almost summer, it works. So we're gonna use this. Smell it, baby.
Very nice.
Oh, it smells so nice. So heavenly. It's not funny. Go on your cheeks, forehead, nose area.
You're loving this, aren't you?
Yep. I do this, well, not this, but I do his face routine every night. Circular motion, going in upward direction. I'm going to do the same. Tap, 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 tap. It's kind of hard to see in that small screen, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm kind of looking in the mirror as well.
Yeah, me too.
I'm sure my friends have a good time watching this video.
They might learn a thing or two about how to look younger, because they're all hitting their 30s soon. So you know what? Once you hit 30, you're only going to look, yeah, if you don't take care of your skin.
We're all good. We're all good.
So lads, follow him. I mean, follow my advice. Look after your skin. Right, we're going to go on our neck. Baby, up. Why are you going down? Like this, just do that.
It feels nice in my
Easy.
beard going down, not up.
Well, the good thing about you is because you've got beards, you're not really going to get
It hides it all, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's fine.
visible wrinkles. So, yeah, so that's what we do.
Glowing.
Glowing from head to toe. We are going to go with one last step. I'm going to put some more because I feel like it. I also put it on my earlobes because they're soft and I want to make them super soft. So cover all area. There we go. Beautiful baby. The final step, which is step 7, we're going to have to hydrate our lips. So we're going to use LANOLIPS. It's 101 Ointment, Multi-Balm, Coconutter. Initially I didn't really like it, but I've been using it for a couple of months now, and now I've grown into it. I actually quite like it. Every time I wear this at night, he always steals it off my lips. So bad. Like, he doesn't want to put it by himself, but he takes it off my lips. It's so lazy.
It's easier.
But tonight, I'm going to put it on him. Actually, no, you can put it on yourself.
Just tell my finger.
It's up to you. Why don't you just do it on the tube? You have to squeeze it so the product comes out. A bit more.
I put too much on one side.
No, you can just rub it in with your right, that's it. The way he puts it, you're gonna finish my product. I hope you all enjoyed our fun session, you know, getting ready at night, featuring my husband. Yeah, how did you find it?
Yeah, interesting. Not too bad actually. Actually, well, quite enjoyable, I must say.
Yeah, so this is what I do every night.
Yeah, I won't be doing it every night, but probably won't do it again the rest of the year. But
no, you probably won't. But yeah, this is what I do every night. Now, at least he knows what I do. Why I take longer at night to come to bed, but it is important for me because it is so important to look after your skin. It is gonna thank you 10 years from now, you know, like my skin already thanks me because I've always been good with my skin. So yeah, everyone, make sure you are looking after yourself, your skin, and make sure your husband or your partner is looking after theirs too, because you know, you want to grow old together looking as well as you can, you know, gracefully, glowily. Is that the word? It isn't it? I always make up the word. But yeah, so, you know, grow together beautifully.
grow and glow together. There you go.
He completes me, as you can see. And that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine. If you did, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And if you want to see more videos of me with my hubby, then please comment love heart down below. Thank you all for watching.
Thanks guys, Ani Feri Patola.
Mwah.